Hello and good morning students. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, as you know, we have been discussing and learning past simple tense for the last 3 days. Alright? In past simple tense, we discuss actions and conditions wherein we use past simple tense. Alright? We talked about actions. Actions took place in the past. Activities happened in the past at a certain point, or the time is not clear, or time may be certain or may not be certain, but something occurred in the past. Alright, and it has no connectivity with present. For such actions, okay, such actions are always expressed in past simple tense, that is by using second form of the verb. Alright, then we talked about past habits. By using the second form of the verb, we express ours or others past habits. Then we talked about certain phrases like it is time, it is high time, it is about time. Okay, these phrases always take the second form of the verb. Okay, that is the past simple tense. Then we talked about suppositional sentences. In suppositional sentences, we simply suppose, we simply imagine, and this is just simply past imagination. The sentences, the action we talk about, they are simply imaginary and they are not possible. Got it? And then we talked about two and more than two actions that took place at the same time in the past. There, for each action, we use second form of the verb. Alright, so as I told you that for past simple tense, okay, by using second form of the verb, okay, we use past simple tense. Similarly, for negative sentences, we use did not and first form of the verb. Alright, like I did not attend the class yesterday. कल मैंने class attend नहीं की या नहीं की थी. Alright. So for negative sentences in past simple tense we use did not and verb first form, whereas in positive sentences we use second form of the verb. Alright. Never use second form, okay, with did or did not. Did or did not is always followed by first form of the verb. Why? Because did itself is the second form of do. Alright. Did itself is the second form of the do, did, done, and that's by using did we have already make the sentence in past simple tense. Alright, so did is followed by first form of the verb, or did not is followed by first form of the verb. Alright, similarly in interrogative sentences the same did, that is helping verb, we use before the subject, and in such a way we frame interrogative questions as well. Alright, so this is all we learned and discussed earlier, and today we are going to have exercise based on that discussion that we had earlier. Alright, so let's start. Past simple tense, this is the practice exercise. And I was very tired, so I leave the party early. I was in a hurry, so I not have time to phone you. We knew she was very busy, so we disturbed her. It was hard carrying the bags, they be very heavy. Why the police not arrest the thief yesterday? They finished the work last week. Why you not inform me about it? He talks as if he be the boss. Supposing we lose the match. You are tired. It is time you take some rest. It is high time you start your own business. Alright, so let's start. I was very tired. See, I was very tired. This was second form of the verb. Alright, first form is be, second form is was and were, and third form is been. So I was very tired. मैं बहुत थका हुआ था. Got it? Past simple tense. So I leave the party early. So मैंने पार्टी को थोड़ा जल्दी लीव कर दिया, छोड़ दिया. मैं बहुत थका हुआ था और इसलिए मैंने पार्टी को जल्दी छोड़ा. Alright. So you are talking about some action that you took place earlier. Got it? So here we will use the second form of leave, and that is left. Leave, left, left. And left. All right. So I was very tired. Since I was very tired, I left the party early. मैंने पार्टी को जल्दी छोड़ दिया. So leave की second form left. Leave, left. Why did we use here second form of the verb? Because already our sentence start with the past tense. Got it? Then I was in a hurry. मैं बहुत जल्दी में था. So I not have time to phone you. So I had no time to phone you. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है. So I नेगेटिव के लिए did not. I did not have फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही रहेगी. As I told you, did after did we use first form of the verb, और after did not we always use the first form of the verb. I did not have time to phone you. इसलिए मैं जल्दी में था, इसलिए मेरे पास तुम्हें फ़ोन करने का समय नहीं था. Got it? Next, we knew she was very busy. We knew, हम जानते थे कि वो बहुत बिजी थी. Alright, so we disturbed her. So हमने उसे डिस्टर्ब किया, हमने उसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. We knew she was very busy. हमें पता था कि वो बहुत बिजी थी, इसलिए हमने उसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. Okay, this is the sense. So we did not disturbed her. Alright, after using did not we will use disturb. Here you may write not disturb. Got it? It was hard carrying the bags. It was hard carrying the bags. बैग्स को कैरी करना बहुत मुश्किल था. ओके, इट वॉज हार्ड कैरिंग द बैग्स. बैग्स को कैरी करना मुश्किल था. दे बी वेरी हैवी. बी वेरी हैवी. बैग क्या थे? बहुत हैवी थे. बी फॉर्म, फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज द बी, सेकेंड फॉर्म इज वॉज एंड वर, एंड थर्ड फॉर्म इज बीन. सो हमारे साथ दे है. ऑल राइट, सेकेंड फॉर्म वॉज एंड वर. So with they we will use were. They were very heavy. It was very hard to carry bags. Why? Because bags were very heavy. Why the police not arrest the thief yesterday? Why? क्यों the police not arrest the thief yesterday? पुलिस ने चोर को कल अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं किया? Alright, for interrogative sentence, here interrogative sentence start with WH word. WH word we use at the first, then we'll use helping verb, and with past tense we use helping verb did. Yes, why did the police not? Now second form or first form? Did is followed by first form, so arrest as it is. Don't do here arrested. Okay, it will be wrong. Why? Because already we have used here did. Alright, and did indicate that it is past simple tense. Why did the police not arrest the thief yesterday? Is it clear? कि पुलिस ने thief को, चोर को कल अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं किया? Alright, they finished the work last week. They finished the work last week. क्या last week उन लोगों ने work finish किया? Your answer can be yes or no. They finished the work last week? Question mark. क्या उन्होंने अपना काम last week finish किया था या नहीं? Your answer will be either yes or no. And whenever a question is answered by yes or no, such a question starts with helping verb. And in past simple tense, our helping verb is did. Yes. So here use did. They finish or finished. Again finish only. Alright, because did is used. Did they finish the work last week? क्या उन लोगों ने पिछले सप्ताह अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था? Alright, so start with did. Why you not inform me about it? Why you not inform? आपने मुझे इसके बारे में inform क्यों नहीं किया? Alright, since we are talking about past simple tense only, so यहाँ पे why you not inform me about it? तुमने मुझे इसके बारे में inform क्यों नहीं किया? Why followed by helping verb. For past simple, helping verb is did. Why did you not? And after did and did not, we use first form of the verb. We'll use as it is. Why did you not inform me about it? आपने मुझे इसके बारे में inform क्यों नहीं किया? All right. He talks as if he be the boss. He talks. Present simple tense. All right. V1 और S and ES. वो ऐसे बात करता है as if. As if मतलब मानो he be the boss. वो हमारा boss हो. So he talks as if he be का second form was and were. But here this is the suppositional sentences. In suppositional sentences there are the words like if, as if, as though, if only, I wish, he wishes, she wishes, we wish, etc. Alright, so here already as if. So as if here, so we have to here use past tense. Alright, and past tense, that is the second form of the verb. But whenever we will use past tense for suppositional sentence, then we will use the be form in past, that is always were, irrespective of the noun is singular or plural. Got it? So here we will use were because it is suppositional sentence. Okay, so he talks as if he were the boss. वह ऐसी बातें कर रहा है जैसे कि वो हमारा बॉस हो. Means he is reacting in such a way as if he is our boss, but he is not our boss. Alright, the condition is that he is not our boss. Supposing, again यही सेम कैसे, supposing, imagining, suppose we lose the match, again we too lose का second form lost. Supposing we lost the match हार जाते तो. Got it? You are tired, it is time you take some rest. देखो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस है, प्रेजेंट टेंस है, you are tired, it is time, this phrase, and this phrase is always followed by past tense. Got it? So it is time you took. It is time you took some rest. तुम बहुत थके हुए हो, ये सही टाइम है कि अब तुम रेस्ट करो. You should be resting right now. Why? Because you are extremely tired. You are not likely to work anymore. You must take rest. Got it? So see here, यहाँ पे भी present tense है, यहाँ पे भी present tense है, but since here as if and here this it is time. Here as if tells us that we have to use past simple tense, and here this phrase it is time tells us that it is always followed by the second form of the verb. So we have to use the second form of the verb. Took, take, took, taken. Alright, and that's why we have used here second form of the verb. Took some rest. Alright, you are tired, it is time you took some rest. तुम्हें rest करना चाहिए means it is high time. Okay, it is time you must take rest. तुम्हें रेस्ट की ज़रूरत है और तुम्हें रेस्ट करना चाहिए. Got it? Next, it is high time you start your own business. Again see the phrase it is high time. As I told you, it is time, it is high time, it is about time. Alright, it is time, it is high time, it is about time. These phrases always take the second form of the verb. So ये बहुत ही right time है that you start your own business, कि आप अपना business खुद का खड़ा करो, आप अपना business खुद का start करो. Means it is right time you must start your own business. तुम्हें अपना खुद का business करना चाहिए. Right now you are likely to start your own business. Got it? So here it is high time you start. So second form started. You started your own business. So sense यहाँ पे past नहीं आ रहा है, sense present में भी present में ही आ रहा है, and it indicates urgency. It indicates urgency. It indicates that something is inevitable, something must be done this way. All right. So it is high time. ये बहुत ही सही समय है. You started your own business, कि तुम अपना खुद का business start करो. All right. So you started your business. आपने आपका business start किया नहीं, आप अपना business start करो. Okay, this is the urgency, this is the need of the hour. ये टाइम, ये सिचुएशन ये कह रहा है, ये बता रहा है आपको कि आपको अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. Alright, so it is time you started your own business. It shows urgency. Okay, it talks about that something is imperative, something very important, and you must not lose time and you must take action immediately. Got it?